Hello, and welcome to Seesaw and the wonderful world of folders. First of all, what I would like to do is show you how to create a folder. First of all, what you would do is you would select a class. Let's say I select Brennan's class, and I'm going to go up here to the wrench and click on the wrench. And I'm going to go down, 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 where it says Manage Folders. As you can see, I already have a folder in Miss Brennan's class, but let's say I did not. What I would do is I would click the bottom, I would say Create a Folder, and I would select my color. And then I fully think that what you should do is always select the same color. Okay, so my color is red from my folders, but for this example, I'm choosing the bright pink. I'm going to go ahead and click the yes, and oh, sorry, I'm supposed to give it a title. So this is test folder. Boom. Right, and it's there. So I'm going to click X to get out of that. Now, let's say I have an activity to share. I'm going to go there. I'm going to click Assign Activity. I'm going to my library, and here is one of the things that I can share with people. So I'm going to click the Wayne Thibault video and response, and I'm going to click Assign. And I'm going to go to Miss Brennan's class, okay? And I'm going to find that folder. Now, I'm not just going to click this. Don't just click this. I'm going to go to her folders, okay? And then I'm going to click Folders here. And then I'm going to put it into the test folder. And then I'm going to click there. And then I'm going to say Assign to one class. And I'm going to disregard all that jazz that they just put up. I'm going to go back to class. Now I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to click Add a Response, and I'm going to go to Drawing, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to see that lovely drawing that I've just done, and I'm going to turn it in. Boom. See, that is really beautiful, isn't it? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's say I want to find all the things that have been turned in under my folder. So you're going to go to the class, you're going to click Class Journal, Items here. You're going to go to your folder, you're going to click that. And see, it's only going to show you your stuff, okay? This is the beauty of why you're doing this, is so you can just go into your test folder. Otherwise, if you go into the journal and you see, look, there's 185 items. You need to be scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, trying to find anything that's relevant to you. So let's just take a peek and see. It looks like there's actually some things for art in here. So art with Sylvester, boom, and check it out. Now there are 3 responses that are new since I have checked it last. And let me show you something that you can do that you may or may not be aware. I'm going to click that I like it. I'm going to also click that, click comment, and I'm going to put great job. Is that the right way to spell it? I'm going to go back and yes, it is. All right. And I'm going to put exclamation point, and I'm going to click post. All right. So even if the teacher had already approved it, you can go through your folder and add comments. I am 100% sure that the kids and the parents are going to like it, that you actually interacted with their child's piece. Okay, so check this out. I had already loved it, and several other people had. In this one, I hadn't, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I like it. And who is that? That's Sample Student, and that was me. So I don't need to respond to my own piece. But anyway, there you go. If you have any questions, just let me know.